If there are not NES in Bandang, would you have enrolled? And how do you think na na-develop your career mo with the help of NES?
Depende po rin. Kasi sa Manila po ako sobrang medyo malayo. Pero ngayon po, bilang national athlete na po, I would have to visit po maggawa po ng mga training camps sa students, athletes, makapag-cross-training din po minsan na sa mga sports kasi need din po siya ma-experience bilang athlete and gusto rin po like, of course mag-enjoy na habang ginagawa yung sports tapos nakakakuha po ako ng knowledge and share din po ako ng mga experience ko sa Japan, mga experience ko sa mga pagkapanalo ko. Siyempre sa mga nahirapan akong bagay. Gusto ko i-share sa mga.
Seeing the NAS in person and in the long term, how excited are you to see the young athletes in the NAS to perform in the international stage?
Super excited din po na magkaroon dito kasi hindi ko pa po siya nakikita in person. Siyempre, hindi ko rin po siya naririnig before. And super happy po na may NES po. Tinayo po yung ganito para sa mga nangangarap. Kagaya ko, nangangarap din sali sa international level. Of course, like, nag-hope po and praying po na marami pong mga estudyante na galing dito, mga athletes na makakompete and makita nila yung international level.
With Carlos successfully inserted nakalabas mo for trainings, for competitions. For the DepEd po, how much of the budget would be allocated if the need arises for training camps overseas?
Well, yung budget ng DepEd for sports is right now, it's palarong magbansa. So yun, sinasabi lang kulang na yung budget. So dapat dagdagan. So siguro doon ako pinaka-focus. At pag may naiwan, yun pwedeng ibigay sa mga training overseas. But I think baka may overlap with PSC, Philippine Sports Commission, kasi sila yung namimigay ng mga allowances for athletes.
Sex Sunny and Ma'am Joya, we haven't heard that much that a corporate giant like Jollibee will be throwing up some support to NES. But how's that feeling that Jollibee will be throwing out that support to NES?
Yeah, of course, we're very, very grateful because Jollibee chose NAS for their donation of 5 million. And this is such a huge help for us since they chose to support us by providing additional sports equipment. You know, this will really transform the competitive training experience of our students. I'm really very, very grateful that they chose NAS since our students are the future Olympians, and of course here with Carlo with us, biggest inspiration of our students.
Kami nagpapasalamat sa Jollibee dahil siya yung first corporate private sector. So hindi namin makakalimutan ito. At hopefully it will jumpstart a lot of help from the private sector. In the same way na maraming tumutulong sa edukasyon from the private sector. Sana ganun din. At maraming mga sports, mas maraming atletang masusuportan, mas maraming programa ng NAS.
Kaloy, nasabi nga ng kapwa mo athlete na si EJ Oben, this is the golden age of Philippine sports, especially after your double gold sa Paris. How important it is para sa'yo na may ganitong parang program na National Academy of Sports to build on yung parang momentum na ginagawa niyo for Philippine sports?
Yun po, ako rin po ay hindi po pinapangarap na makilala gymnastics po or kahit hindi po gymnastics, pumasok po yung mga kabataan sa sports talaga. And syempre, lalo sila internationally po talaga. With the help of partnership with Jollibee and NAS po, may start up po siya talaga. Kulayan talaga po. Kaya sobrang happy ko talaga ma-experience yung mga bata. Siyempre, hindi po ako talagang mag-share ng knowledge ko sa mga past experience ko and i-share sa kanila yung feeling ko.
So sorry, we only have 2 quick questions.
For what pushed you to partner with NPS or inspiration for this project?
Yeah, so honestly, we were greatly impressed and inspired by the Philippine team's performance in the Paris Olympics. And we were thinking, what better way to honor the Olympians than to actually empower and really build the next generation of world-class Filipino athletes. And it so happens that is also the vision of the National Academy of Sports. So we're really happy to partner with NAS to really turn that vision into reality and inspire the next generation of world-class Filipino athletes like Carlos Smith.